Using your phone. To turn on your phone, press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds. To turn on the screen, press the power button. Press it again to turn the screen off. You can also turn on the screen by double-tapping the screen. Double-tap it again to turn the screen off. To turn off your phone, press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds. Then choose Power Off. Confirm your choice, and the tablet will turn off. To unlock your phone, wake the screen. Then swipe your finger across the screen in any direction. The lock screen has shortcuts to some apps for easy access. To open an app that's on the lock screen, touch the app icon and drag it in any direction. This will unlock your phone and open the app you selected. To go to the home screen, tap the Home button. To go back to the previous screen, tap the Back button. You can also use the Back button to hide the keyboard when it's showing. To see a list of apps you've used recently, tap the Recent button. Then tap an app to open it. To open Google Now from any screen, drag up from below the screen or press and hold the Home button. To add an app to the home screen, touch and hold the screen. At the bottom, you can see your available apps. At the top, swipe left or right to choose the home screen you want to add to. Then tap the app you want. To add a widget to the home screen, tap the Widgets tab at the bottom of the screen. Now you can scroll through the available widgets. Drag your chosen widget onto the home screen you want. Then tap the home screen to finish. Let's remove a widget from a home screen. Touch and hold the widget until the Remove option appears at the top of the screen. Then drag the widget over the Remove option. To manage your apps, tap the Apps icon on the home screen. To move the app to a different position or to uninstall it altogether, tap the Menu button and then choose Edit Uninstall Apps to go into edit mode. Then, to move an app, touch and hold the app icon. Drag it to where you want. To create a folder, touch and hold one app and then drag it on top of another one. To change the folder name, tap the folder. Then tap the folder name. Tap the current name and enter the name you want. Tap OK to confirm. Then tap outside the folder to close it. Let's uninstall a downloaded app. To uninstall an app, tap the red X button next to the app. Then tap Uninstall. Tap Yes to confirm. When you're finished managing apps, tap the check mark in the upper right. If you need to return to the Setup wizard to finish setting up your phone, tap the Apps icon on the home screen. And then find the Setup Wizard app in the Verizon folder. Tap to open the app. Then tap each setup item that you'd like to review or change.